What if I told you that you could drastically improve your liver health, burn belly fat, and detoxify your entire body, all with just a few simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen? Imagine turning your toxic, fatty, and inflamed liver into a clean, vibrant powerhouse that not only helps you feel more energized, but also supports your hormones, metabolism, and digestion. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm about to reveal 8 incredibly powerful, delicious, and easy-to-make smoothies that have the potential to heal your liver, reduce harmful fat around your midsection, and even promote clearer skin. These aren't just your average smoothies. Each one is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and liver-boosting properties that work synergistically to support your body's natural detox process. Ready to start your journey toward a healthier, happier liver? Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's dive in. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, and it truly deserves extra care. Not only is it responsible for detoxifying harmful substances, but it also plays a vital role in metabolizing fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, regulating blood sugar, and storing essential vitamins and minerals. In fact, without a healthy liver, your body would struggle to remove toxins, process nutrients, and even produce essential proteins for your blood and immune system. Every day, your liver processes the food you eat, the drinks you consume, and the air you breathe, working tirelessly to filter out toxins, such as alcohol, medications, and environmental pollutants. When the liver becomes overloaded or damaged from poor diet, stress, alcohol, or even certain medications, it can lead to liver diseases like fatty liver, cirrhosis, and even liver failure. This not only affects your overall health, but can also disrupt other critical functions in your body, including hormone balance, digestion, and energy levels. Because of the many essential tasks your liver performs, it's crucial to give it the extra attention it deserves by nourishing it with nutrient-dense foods, staying hydrated, avoiding harmful substances, and practicing a healthy lifestyle. By caring for your liver, you're giving your body the foundation it needs for optimal health and well-being, ensuring that your liver continues to work effectively for years to come. To begin, let's look at a revitalizing spinach and kiwi smoothie. The spinach and kiwi smoothie is a refreshing and nutrient-packed way to kickstart your day while supporting your liver's health. This vibrant green smoothie combines the natural sweetness and tanginess of kiwis with the earthy richness of spinach, creating a delicious drink that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your body. Spinach is a low-calorie, nutrient-dense powerhouse that stabilizes blood sugar levels, which helps curb cravings and aids in fat loss, a key factor for reducing fat buildup in the liver. It's also loaded with antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which combat inflammation and protect liver cells from oxidative stress. On the other hand, kiwis are a vitamin C treasure trove, offering immune support, collagen production, and powerful antioxidant properties that help neutralize free radicals in the liver. To prepare this smoothie, blend a cup of fresh spinach with 2 to 3 peeled kiwis, a cup of water, and a few ice cubes for a refreshing twist. You can enhance the flavor and detoxifying benefits with a splash of lemon or lime juice. This easy-to-make smoothie is a perfect way to nourish your liver, improve digestion, and energize your day. Next, we have the spinach and grapefruit smoothie. The spinach and grapefruit smoothie is a powerhouse combination for supporting liver health and overall wellness. Grapefruit is a unique fruit known for its ability to enhance insulin sensitivity, making it highly beneficial for blood sugar control, a critical factor in preventing fatty liver disease. This citrus fruit also promotes bile flow, which is essential for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins from the liver. Spinach, a nutrient-dense leafy green, complements grapefruit perfectly by providing an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. To prepare this liver-loving drink, blend 1 cup of fresh spinach with 1 peeled grapefruit, a cup of water, and a handful of ice. For an added zest and detoxifying boost, include a squeeze of lemon or lime juice. This smoothie not only supports the liver's natural detoxification processes, but also refreshes your palate with its tangy, slightly bitter flavor profile. Regular consumption of this nutrient-packed drink can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver, improve digestion, and boost your overall vitality. For those seeking a smoothie packed with antioxidants, the kale and pomegranate smoothie is a must-try. The kale and pomegranate smoothie is a vibrant blend designed to provide powerful support for your liver and overall health. Kale, a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, is a nutritional superstar, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and sulfur-containing compounds that enhance the liver's detoxification process. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the liver from scarring caused by chronic inflammation. Pomegranate, with its rich ruby hue, complements kale by delivering a potent dose of antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which protect the liver from oxidative damage and prevent fat buildup. This dynamic duo works together to reduce liver inflammation, enhance detoxification, and improve liver cell regeneration. To make this smoothie, blend 1 cup of fresh kale leaves with half a cup of pomegranate seeds, 1 cup of water, and a handful of ice cubes. For added benefits, consider including a tablespoon of flaxseed, which is a precursor to omega-3 fatty acids known for their anti-inflammatory effects. This smoothie not only supports liver health, but also boosts your immune system, improves digestion, and offers a refreshing, slightly tart taste that you'll love. The papaya smoothie is another simple yet powerful option. The papaya water smoothie is a simple yet highly effective drink for supporting liver health and improving digestion. Papaya, known for its vibrant orange flesh, is a fruit loaded with natural enzymes such as papain, which aid in breaking down proteins and improving overall digestion. These enzymes also have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the liver, protecting it from damage and promoting its optimal function. Additionally, papaya is rich in vitamins A and C, both of which act as antioxidants to shield liver cells from oxidative stress. To prepare this smoothie, blend 1 cup of fresh, ripe papaya chunks with 1 cup of water and a handful of ice cubes for a refreshing, hydrating drink. For an added boost, consider sprinkling a pinch of Himalayan sea salt to enhance electrolyte balance and further support detoxification. This smoothie is not only incredibly easy to make, but also a powerful ally in maintaining liver health, improving digestion, and reducing bloating, all while offering a naturally sweet and tropical flavor. Another excellent option is the celery and blueberry smoothie. The celery and blueberry smoothie is a nutrient-packed drink that offers a wealth of benefits for your liver and overall well-being. Celery, often overlooked as a humble vegetable, is a powerhouse of essential nutrients and natural compounds that support liver detoxification. It promotes bile production, which is crucial for breaking down fats and flushing out toxins. Additionally, celery's high water content and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce liver inflammation and alleviate toxicity caused by poor dietary habits. Blueberries, on the other hand, are rich in antioxidants, specifically polyphenols, which protect liver cells from oxidative damage and help prevent fat accumulation. These berries are also particularly effective in reducing excess iron levels, which can pose a risk as we age, by binding with and eliminating it from the body. To prepare this smoothie, blend 1 cup of chopped celery with 1 cup of fresh blueberries, a cup of water, and a handful of ice cubes. For an extra detoxifying kick, add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, which enhances bile flow and further supports liver function. This vibrant smoothie is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a potent ally in improving liver health, reducing inflammation, and boosting your body's natural detoxification processes. The cucumber and lemon smoothie offers a hydrating and alkalizing option. The cucumber and lemon smoothie is a refreshing and hydrating drink that offers numerous benefits for liver health and detoxification. Cucumber, with its high water content, acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and reduce water retention, which can be particularly helpful in preventing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. It also provides essential electrolytes that support hydration and promote healthy liver function. The addition of lemon further enhances the detoxifying properties of this smoothie by stimulating bile production, which aids in fat digestion and the removal of harmful substances from the liver. The citrusy acidity of lemon also supports the liver's ability to neutralize and expel toxins more efficiently. To make this smoothie, simply blend 1 cup of chopped cucumber with 1 whole lemon, along with a cup of water and a handful of ice cubes. For an extra touch of flavor and a boost to your metabolism, consider adding a slice of ginger. This smoothie not only promotes detoxification and liver health, but also keeps you hydrated, supports digestion, and delivers a crisp, tangy flavor that refreshes and revitalizes. For a creamy and nutrient-packed treat, try the avocado and strawberry smoothie. The avocado and strawberry smoothie is a delicious and nutrient-dense drink that combines the rich, creamy texture of avocado with the antioxidant-packed sweetness of strawberries, offering numerous benefits for liver health. Avocados are a powerhouse of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which support the liver by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy cell membranes. They also contain glutathione, a potent antioxidant that helps the liver detoxify by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Strawberries, on the other hand, are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help to improve liver function and protect it from oxidative stress. The high fiber content of both ingredients aids in digestion and the elimination of toxins from the body. To make this smoothie, blend 1 cup of fresh strawberries with 1 ripe avocado, a cup of water, and a handful of ice cubes for a creamy, smooth texture. This smoothie not only supports liver health by reducing fat accumulation and inflammation, but also helps boost metabolism, improve digestion, and provide a tasty, refreshing treat that nourishes your body from the inside out. Lastly, the coconut and papaya smoothie. The coconut and papaya smoothie is a tropical delight that offers a wealth of benefits for both liver health and overall wellness. Coconut is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a type of healthy fat that provides an excellent energy source for the body and helps reduce liver stress. These fats are easily metabolized by the liver and converted into ketones, offering a low-stress fuel that supports the liver's detoxification processes. Additionally, coconut contains lauric acid, which has antiviral and immune-boosting properties, further enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections and inflammation. Papaya, with its natural enzymes like papain, aids in digestion and reduces inflammation, making it an excellent fruit for supporting liver function. The antioxidants in papaya, including vitamins A and C, help protect the liver from oxidative stress and repair damaged liver cells. To prepare this smoothie, blend 1 cup of fresh papaya with 1 cup of coconut, either shredded or coconut milk, a glass of water, and a handful of ice cubes for a creamy, refreshing texture. For added flavor and to further support blood sugar regulation, you can sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon. This smoothie not only helps reduce inflammation and scarring in the liver, but also provides a delicious way to nourish your body with healthy fats, enzymes, and antioxidants that promote optimal liver function and overall health. And there you have it, 8 powerful and delicious smoothies that can help you cleanse your liver, reduce inflammation, and promote overall health. These nutrient-packed drinks are not only easy to make, but also packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and natural enzymes that work wonders for your liver, metabolism, and digestion. By incorporating these into your daily routine, you're giving your liver the support it needs to detoxify, repair, and thrive. If you found these recipes helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with anyone who could benefit, and subscribe to Healthholic Master for more health tips, recipes, and wellness advice. Remember, a healthy liver leads to a healthier you. So start making these smoothies today and feel the difference. Stay tuned for more amazing health content, and I'll see you in the next video.